Good afternoon, my beautiful girlies. It's Grace, and let's hop right in to this makeup get ready with me. So, for today's topic of discussion, what are things that never fail to make me laugh? I love this topic of discussion so much because, I love to laugh and giggle. I mean, who doesn't love to laugh? And two, I just have those certain things or those certain moments like that people do that just make me literally wheeze, like out of breath, like feeling like I'm literally about to cry. I actually do cry as well. Like, when you laugh so freaking hard, you either cry or you just pee your pants, like like we all have had those laughters of that made us do those things. And I know we all definitely have those things that make us get to that point. I specifically have 3 things that never fail to make me laugh. And also, before we get into those things, my nails. Yep, my nails. I have been dying to get my nails done for so freaking long. I'm not even kidding. It has been 5 months since the last time I got my nails done. So basically around the beginning of this year. But yeah, I'm just so, y'all see how satisfying that is? I'm sorry, y'all. Anyways, moving on. So the first thing that never fails to make me laugh would have to be people farting, or an accidental fart, if that makes sense. I don't know what it is about someone who accidentally toots. It just, I don't know, it's just so funny to me because it's so random. I think that's the reason why it's so hilarious to me, because it's literally such a random moment. People laugh, people giggle, because it was a simple mistake. And, farts definitely make a freaking funny sound. I know, farts sound very, very different, but they, just genuinely make me laugh. They always make me giggle. It never fails to make me laugh. And especially when you're having one of those days, when you're having a bad day or having a bad mood, and, just a little laughter can, not a little laughter, a little accidental toots can just make it feel all better for some reason. I don't know, y'all. Oh crap. But yeah, I mean, people farting, accidentally farting, never fails to make me laugh. It always makes me laugh. I don't howl, obviously. I mean, in private I do, but in person I just try to, muffle my laugh. But yeah, y'all, I would have to say that people farting are one of the things that never fails to make me laugh. The second thing that never fails to make me laugh would have to be people falling. Specifically people falling down the stairs. Crap. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what it is about people falling down the stairs. Obviously, accidental, or I don't know. Yeah, accidental, because who would intentionally fall down the stairs? But yeah, I don't know, y'all. It's always been so hilarious to me. I always feel so bad when I laugh too, because it's it literally just comes out. I don't even intentionally mean to laugh at you. It literally just comes out. That's why I can't be around people that are around steps, because if something happens, then if something happens, then I might bust a laugh or two. And it's not every single time I see someone fall down the stairs I laugh. It's some moments, it depends on the moment, if it was a mistake or something like that, if that person isn't too hurt, then yes, I cackle. But if someone is that hurt, and also if y'all do hear any noise in the background, I apologize for that. But if someone's seriously hurt, then I will honestly just feel bad, because falling down some stairs is honestly not only embarrassing, but it's traumatic. And you know, I don't ever want to, actually, I was a victim of it. I was a victim of falling down the stairs. Well, specifically bus stairs a few years ago, back when I was like, I think in middle school. Yeah, that was embarrassing. But, you know, the embarrassing moments make you stronger, I guess. Or I don't even think that's the freaking phrase, but y'all know what I mean. But yeah, y'all, I would have to say that people falling would have to be the second thing that never fails to make me laugh. Okay, so the third and last thing that never fails to make me laugh would have to be serious situations. Yeah, I feel like this is everybody, honestly. Like, you know how like a serious situation like it's obviously not funny, you know, but there's like one way or a couple of different ways how that serious situation could be funny. Like, that's when I just laugh so freaking much. And I feel like the harder I laugh, like when I'm not supposed to be laughing at it, like the more I wheeze, because it's like obviously you're not supposed to be laughing at that serious situation, which to me honestly just like makes me laugh even harder. I don't know why. But yeah, I mean, those serious situations, I feel like they made me like cackle the absolute most. It's just so funny, especially like if you are with your friend or with your family member or like even with an acquaintance. And I know that y'all know like the meme that says like, you know, when like, you know, a serious situation's happening and then like you and your friend just have like that mustered up laugh look and y'all are not trying to look at each other, because once you look at each other, y'all will just like be done, completely done, laughing until there are tears, laughing until you can't stand anymore, laughing until you're silent. Those silent laughs hit though. Everybody needs a silent laugh, like either once a day, or if not once a day, once every few days. Like, we all need a, you know, good silent laugh to where we can't breathe, basically. But yeah, y'all, I would have to say that serious situations would have to be the third and the last thing that never fails to make me laugh. All right, guys, so we did the no makeup look once again. Just mascara and some chapstick. Really, really basic, really basic, but still a, I guess, makeup look nevertheless. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that you will have an amazing Monday, an amazing week, and I will see all of y'all's beautiful faces next time. Bye, guys.